So this is a handheld tire inflator. It has dual ways of using it. You could plug it into your lighter of your car, or if you're charging it up at home, charge a battery, stick the battery in there, press this, it tells you how much battery life you have. So you turn on the button, turn on the air, hit the button again, and you can set your PSIs and memory here, and then just push that, and it will go to your desired pressure. And you have a light button right here, comes on, or emergency red light. Comes with your accessories that you can keep on the tire inflator. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And set PSIs. Comes with a little bag to hold your little inflator with you.